Hey, this is Nate coming to you from Tameron Hyundai. Wanted to do a quick video walk around of Santa Fe that you inquired about. Have one here on the showroom floor. This vehicle is red. It does feature the Hyundai Honeycomb grille, as well as the LED wraparound headlights, daytime running lights, premium alloy 19-inch wheels. We do have turn indicator and blind spots in the monitor. This is an Ultimate, so there's a ton of equipment in this vehicle. Too much to go over in this quick video, but come inside. I'm going to show you a couple quick features. This vehicle does feature the leather, panoramic sunroof, heated and cooled seats, drive mode, Android Apple CarPlay, your Bluetooth, your phone to the system. That's going to allow you hands-free operation to operate that. And let me tell you one of the beauty parts about Hyundai. It's America's best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 miles, bumper-to-bumper protection. Can't find that anywhere, not on any other make. Here exclusively at Tameron, we're going to double the powertrain warranty for you and make it 20 years or 200,000 miles, whichever comes first. Come see me. Come get your Ultimate. My name is Nate, 205-287-2321. Hey, you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.